is the Shut the Box dice game by Ropoda. It came in. And two to four players. Shut the Box. Hey y'all, I received the Shut the Box game and this is the review on it. So I already unboxed it and the quality seems very sturdy. It's pretty light. It doesn't feel like heavy wood. It seems like it's well put together. I like that it's on this hinge so you won't lose any of the pieces. The only pieces that may be lost are the dice, but there's a Ziploc bag that comes with it, so it's just good to just keep it together. And the box seems pretty sturdy. Of course, it's cardboard, so just be careful putting it in and out. It does say ages 5 and up to play. It's a 2 to 4 player game. I have not played it yet. I don't even know what the game is about, but I am excited to play. It seems very fun. It's something about like rolling the dice and then getting the number. So like I have 12, you have to add it to 12. So there's like 10 and 2, and then you roll it again. I'm rolling doubles here, yeah. So then that's a 4, and then whoever gets like the most or the least number wins, and that's what the game is essentially. So I'm very excited to play with my friends and learn a new game because I have not heard about this game before. So try it out. Thanks for watching. Toodles noodles.